Turn the key and nothing? No crank, no click? Good. This is usually simple. That's almost always power delivery, dead battery, or corroded connections. When there's truly no sound, it's rarely the starter itself. All right, let's go step by step to see if we can figure out why there's no power. Flip your headlights on. Bright, you've got some power. Dim or dead, battery or connection problem. Next, pop the hood. Wiggle test the battery cables. They shouldn't move at all. If they do, tighten them down. Look for green or white fuzz on the terminals. That corrosion blocks power like an insulator. Clean it off and you might be done. Some parts you might need to finish this job: a battery, obviously, a cleaning brush for the terminals, and an anti-corrosion spray. And here's a tip if the fresh battery still does nothing. Test voltage at the post versus at the cable clamp. 12.6 volts or higher at the post but low at the clamps means your terminals are the real problem. So don't call the tow truck yet. Start with the power and connections. You'll fix this at home 8 out of 10 times. For more car care tips, check out Chris from Beachside.com. The link is in the bio.